This is in Niagara Falls, Ontario. And we have these two Series 1s, but then we have this elevator, which has been completely replaced. You'll notice some differences. Number one, the escutcheon hole is different in the door frame, so look at that one there. And look at these. It's in a different spot and it's different. Also, the door frame is slightly different. Notice these ones don't have access key switches, and this one does. So there's some clues that this car is new and replaced, but the biggest clue is, of course, when the car opens and you see that it's actually a Gen 2. So I don't know if the other ones are going to get replaced like this, but are you guys coming down?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
No problem. What floor?
Main lobby. The ground, yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Look up quick.
Yeah, we can watch it. Because if we have to be there, but remember we said we have to be in Qatar this whole time.
Oh, yeah.
Going down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're getting off.
Oh, you're getting off. Okay. Sorry, guys.
No, wait, this is 4?
This is just elevator number 4. This is floor 1.
This floor.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Take care. So there you can tell this car is completely new. Get the cab view. Yep. Cab view now.
When to come up? When's that?
You guys squashed
4. Can you? Thank you.
Yep.
This is 4.
God damn, are they moving in? Oh, hello. And there that goes. That's it.